Since it began, Medicine Park has always been a place of respite, a place to get away, relax, and reconnect with family and friends. The red and green door cabins in this quaint part of the state are the perfect place to stay for your next retreat.
It's kind of a world away and not that far for most Oklahomans to drive, so if you're looking for a fast little weekend getaway, then this is your place. We have two cabins, the red and green door cabins, and they are located right back behind the main outdoor stage here in Medicine Park.
Aptly named for the color of their doors, the red and green door cabins are private cottages that sleep 2 per cabin, making it a romantic spot to come.
The red door cabin is geared, I like to call it kind of our little love cabin. It's geared more toward, couples, honeymoon, that sort of thing. The green door cabin is decorated in more of a Oklahoma kind of theme with cows and, farmers' almanacs and things like that. So each of them have their own kind of different feel to them. Each cabin has its own private bath, both equipped with mini fridge and microwave, as well as some cooking utensils.
If you want to soak up some time outside, you can sit on the back patio or check out the common area in between the two cabins. The cabins are located in the heart of Medicine Park, making it easy to find something to do or eat.
They're kind of tucked back behind right off the main street, so you really don't see them as you drive through, but they are centrally located in Medicine Park. They're in between the bakery and you have the Park Tavern and both restaurants on either side. Everything's within walking distance, including the Medicine Park Music Hall.
If you're looking for a peaceful, private spot to escape to for rest and relaxation, book your stay at the red and green door cabins in Medicine Park, the perfect place to reconnect.
If you're looking to just kind of get away from the busy life and just enjoy some time with your significant other, or if you have a couple that wants to go, then you can book both cabins right next to each other and just kind of enjoy the outdoors and the beautiful leaves and all the outdoor stuff that we have to do around here.